Now scan text A for the difficult words here. So I'm not asking you to read it fully right now. Just see any word that could hinder your comprehension. So the thing you understand, right? So I feel paragraph 1, 2, that's good to go. And here, paragraph 3, I feel that the second line, dissipation word, may hinder your comprehension. So you just try to guess this word. Dissipation of ice, it may mean melting to you, but melting is already written here in the first line. You can say seasonal melting, weather patterns cause the dissipation of ice. It means you're wasting this ice, right? It's a wastage. Now I feel that 4th is good to go. 5 is yes. In the 5th paragraph, you have the second line, exacerbated. I feel it may hinder your comprehension. So try to guess this now before you comprehend the exact questions here. But at the same time, and see, when something is difficult, try to just focus on the words before that word and after that word. Few words before or after. And it will make the meaning clear to you. But at the same time, has exacerbated such problems. It means it is increasing or worsening such problems, right? So your problem getting worse. So exacerbated.
The dissipation of ice makes my foraging trips harder. When the ice melts too much, it exacerbates the problem, letting bigger predators steal my dinner.
Now the second tip is go to the questions now. Start reading the questions. How many penguin species? How many? How many? It means you're finding the number there. From paragraph 1. And it says it's only 1 mark, so you are not writing the full sentences there, right? Only if you write the exact word, it's okay. Now go back to the text, see the word, see the first paragraph, and anything which is answering how many, yes, it is there. 18. If you write only 18, it's fine. If you write 18 listed species, it is okay, fine. Now go back to question 1, same question 1, B part, right? Using your own words, check the marks, 2 marks for both parts, right? So here you are not using any word from the text, you are using the synonyms here. Second thing, there are 2 strands. You are supposed to answer both strands. Don't write only the meaning of popularity, means another word for the popularity, and you miss global. If you do this, it means only 1 mark is given to you. Second thing, if it is a noun, you have to write the same noun. Try to write the same noun. If it is means, check the form as well. If it is a verb, write the verb. If it is adjective, write adjective. For example, here popularity is noun and global is adjective. So global, any other word for global, you can say international. You can say not local. So anything, or worldwide, you can say. Popularity means fame, something liked by many people, right? When you come to these difficult situations, condition means situations, circumstances, you can say. So difficult, very easy for you. It means not, it means hard, it means not easy, right? So difficult. Try to have the simplified meaning here as well. Now just check question 1, same, but C part, right? Reread paragraph 3. When your focus is paragraph 3 and there are 2 marks given. If there are bullets, it shows that you are writing few words or phrases here and few word phrases here. It means don't write a paragraph, right? So you're finding 2 things, 2 reasons why ice is important in the lives of penguins. If you say oxygen is important, it means they can live, right? So what's something in addition to oxygen, if there is ice there, how important it is for them now, for penguins. So let's see from text A, that is 3rd paragraph. So read this 3rd paragraph and let's find the reason here. Seasonal melting and the weather patterns cause the dissipation of ice. This loss, it means that something is being wasted here, ice gone. This loss in turn reduces the places for penguins to rest. Yes, this is your answer. If there is no ice, it means that there are less chances for them to rest and avoid certain predators. So if you write resting or predators, it's 1 point, right? Considering 1 point. They're not 2 points here because same. So during long foraging trips, it means in search of food, they are having long trips as well as contributing. It means your second point coming now. Coming here to reductions in krill. It means that if there is less ice, if there is no ice, it means krill gone. What is krill now? It is written here, a favorite food. It might mean fish or prawn or something like that. Some eatable for penguins. So you say this is your second point, that there are less krill now. Then emperor penguins commonly breed and raise their young on the fast ice. See, if there is no ice, if there is less ice or whatever, it means they can't even breed. So ice is important. But you need only two reasoning. That's why you can write any two of them, right? This D part, reread paragraph 4 and 5. Your focus is paragraph 4 and 5, and 2 marks for this, for 4th paragraph, and for 5th paragraph, 3 marks. So let's see for paragraph, for 4th paragraph, we have to identify two problems caused by commercial fishing. Commercial fishing means large-scale fishing. So two problems can be caused by this. Let's see now what two problems can be caused by this to your penguins. Okay, let me get you back to the text. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4th paragraph, some commercial fishing. So it shows, the starting shows that it's the same commercial fishing we are reading about now, have claimed that their operations near penguin colony do not make it difficult for penguins to find nourishment. But this is demonstrably wrong. It means the other way around. It means it is difficult for them to find the food, right? Penguins have been known to drown due to collisions. So the thing is, because of this commercial fishing, they can be drowned because they are colliding with the fishing boats, so they can be drowned. So this is second problem for them to become entangled in their nets. It means they get caught in the nets while diving for food. So these are the three things you can write any two of them, right? Now check this question, that is again D part and second part here. Explain the threats other than the commercial fishing to penguins. So what are the other threats? Means one threat is the commercial fishing, and what are the other threats? You have to see paragraph 5 now for this. And there are 3 marks written. It means no bullets. You're not writing the word or phrases. You're writing complete paragraph here, but you must have 3 points with you, right? So let me take you to the text. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th paragraph is this one. So just let me read it. Tourism has increased public awareness of the flight of the penguin. So what are we looking at? Basically, we're finding threats other than commercial fishing, right? But at the same time, has exacerbated such problems as littering. Littering is one of the problems, right? It's a threat which create choking and suffocation hazards. So this is the problem. Littering is the problem, and tourism can cause this, right? So prior to human encroachment on their territories, penguin lives in isolation, and so did not develop immune systems. So this is also a threat, that they are not fit, they're not healthy to fight with the diseases. So to combat many of the world's most common pathogens. Second point is this one. And there are 3, there must be 3, right? Non-native predators, this one is the other one now. It's one of the threats that the non-native predators, but these are the dogs and the foxes. It can also be a great threat for them. Last part from question 1 now, that is E part. It says paragraph 6. Your focus is paragraph 6, last paragraph, and 3 marks. It means that you're writing a form of paragraph, but there are 3 points. The 3 points should be there, right? What is the question now? Explain how penguins may not always be what humans expect them to be. I mean, what we expect them. We expect them to be friendly, right? To be nice, to be not dangerous to us. But explain how they may not always be. Means something opposite to these adjectives you're going to find out, right? Let me show you paragraph 6, what it says now here. How do humans feel about penguins? We love them, definitely. Is the answer mostly the docile, even friendly disposition that humans anticipate in these beautiful creatures? So there means they're not dangerous to us, right? So creature is the side that they show to tourists, with an invitation to be sociable, as one visiting researcher did, resulting in that sounding slap from the powerful clipper damaged equipment. So it means that they're dangerous, that they can attack anytime, right? So they're no more friendly now, they're no more social now. Well, we might think they're performing a cute and clumsy walk in the direction of water for the benefit of your cameras. It's worth remembering that penguins are highly efficient predators, that they have very keen eyesight for anything that will be happening at the water surface. So it means that all opposites of friendly, social could be the answer here. Now look at this variant 12, October, November 2025 again. So let me show you second topic, and that is time travel. So text A is about time travel. So let me show you how many paragraphs here in this. It is, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs, right? It's quite short. So first tip, again the same. It means scan the difficult words here. So what do you think? Which word do you feel that they could create problems for you? It means what I feel. I feel this word that is feasible. Okay, feasible, somewhat difficult, you can say. Or if it is not, it's good news for you. So feasible means something scientists say time travel is possible, right? Feasible means possible. So, okay, that's good one. Now, let me show you the second word, which I feel, acquaintance, right? I feel that it may hinder your comprehension. So you say get to know a recent acquaintance. Acquaintance mean that you know somebody, somebody you're familiar with, right? So next word, let me show you, I feel, this one, predicament, right? Their predicament is our moral dilemma. Predicament means that something, some situation, difficult one, that you are not coming out of. That means no escape for you. Another word which I feel, yes, this one, exhilaration, right? What is it? Now, exhilaration at will, we can remember the exhilaration of winning a competition. It means when you win a competition, you're extremely happy, right? So, exhilaration is another word. I mean, it could be another word which can hinder your comprehension there. So now you're good to go.
An acquaintance, just someone you know. A predicament, when you're stuck. And this feeling, this is exhilaration.
Second tip, go to the questions now. How fast are we traveling through time? How fast, right? You're measuring it now. According to paragraph one is the focus and 1 mark there. Let me take you to the text again. Paragraph 1, how fast? How fast, what do you think? Scientists, it's okay, time travel is entirely feasible, but probably not in the way you're thinking. In fact, you're traveling through time right now. How to the future, the impressive velocity, yes, the speed of 1 second per second is the answer. 1 second per second, bingo. Now, go to question, same question 1, B part. Again, using your own words, 2 marks, 2 strands, 2 marks, 2 strands. So try to find the same kind of form, right? For example, entirely. Entirely means completely, totally, right? It is easy. So feasible, I told you that it's possible. So it's completely possible, right? Recent means a current, updated, anything. And acquaintance, I already told you, acquaintance means that somebody you are familiar with, or somebody, or you can say the context of yours, right? Now just check this C part. What does it say? Give 2 things that fictional time travelers do according to paragraph 2. Now go to paragraph 2, focus paragraph 2, 2 marks there, 2 bullets. It means words or phrases enough. So you are finding 2 things that fictional time travelers do, right? Let me take you to paragraph 2 now. This is paragraph 2, but this isn't the kind of time travel that captivated countless science fiction writers and filmmakers. In such genres, we are presented with the characters who invent some wild vehicles, this one. So, creating or making wild vehicles. To blast from the past, in the future, once there, they grapple with what happens and they change the past. Okay, second, changing the past to the present. Changing the past or present, building up that, inventing the vehicles, that's the second one. Or their predicament, fine. Means you need only 2. Now you're done with this. So question number, start here, paragraph 3 for this, paragraph 4 for this, right? So paragraph 3, we have to find out, identify 2 reasons why the possibility of time travel seems unlikely. It means difficult to happen. So 2 marks here, you have to write the words or phrases from the text. So let me take you to paragraph 3. This one is 3. To date, no one has ever demonstrated the kind of back and forth time travel. So it means nobody has demonstrated such thing before. So it's not possible. So this could be a first reasoning, right? Seen in the science fiction, proposed a method of sending a person through the significant periods of time that wouldn't destroy them. So it's not possible that we are sending somebody back to the past without destroying them. So this could be 2 of the reasonings. So this, I think, let me take you back to question number, same D part, but second part here. Explain the different opinions that people have about the cause of deja vu. So 3 marks here, it means you have to write a paragraph but there should be 3 points there, right? So different opinions people have regarding deja vu. This is this one, fourth one. Some people are very interested in what we call deja vu. Moments deja vu is when we receive the impression that we are reliving scene or event from the past. So it means you are enjoying your past again, when actually we're only experiencing it for the first time. Okay, it must be there in your memory of the past, and then you feel like you are having it again. Could a form of the personal time travel? So it could be a form of personal time travel. And explain it means this could be some of the reasoning people give. Generally, Sushmita Datta asserts that even the slightest instant deja vu is a supernatural experience. So, this is one of the opinions of the people, that supernatural power, something out of this world. Other people are dismissive of this, believing that such experiences have a neurological base. It means something with the brain, something related to the brain. It's something that we create in our brains, right? So, anything from this you can write for your second part, D here. It means 3 points should be there. Let me take you to the E part now. What does it say? Last part for question 1. It says paragraph 5 and 3 marks using your own words. Send, and you have to write a paragraph here. How being able to mentally time travel might be beneficial. So you're writing the benefits of going back. Means if you're time traveling, right? If you're trying to remember in the brain, mentally you're doing this thing. So how good it is for you. Let me take you to the last paragraph. Certainly, there are ways in which we can mentally time travel, right? So what are the benefits? At will, we can remember the exhilaration of winning or competition of eating a particularly delicious meal. So we can remember, we can again enjoy the past, the moment that you already enjoyed in the past. Then just as rapidly, we can switch to picturing the future. It means you can paint your picture, your future as well here. You're thinking about the future, imagining or next or relaxing after a hard day's work. So it means give you happiness, right? When you're thinking about the positive things of the future, it can make you happy. So this is one of the benefits. We anticipate upcoming seasons, planning our wardrobe. So the thing is, you can plan ahead. You can plan for the things in the future, for the near future, activities to adapt to expectations of the weather. If you're unable to time travel mentally, you would not take decisions in the present. It means you can be decisive. You can learn how to take good decisions as well. So that's all for time travel now. Take you this 13 variant. What about this text? A, it says, is there life on Mars? So this is again a bit scientific text. So let's see the same way we're looking at this text as well. First, you scan for the difficult words, right? It means, yes, inhospitable, wasteland. It means something which is not friendly, wasteland, it's a deserted area. And then you have any other word. I feel. Second one is fine. Third one, let's just find out in difficult word here. It's again fine, some lingering surface markers. I think it's easy for you. I feel from here, it's again easy. There are no more difficult words here, which I can find. Yes, here, the last paragraph, if you feel this extraterrestrial life, it means aliens, right? And then we have any other word? No, I don't think so. Okay. Yes, here, ventures. Ventures means something, some project, something new you're starting for the first time. Okay, now this one is easy. Let me take you back again now. Question 1. We start with question 1 here. Let's suppose this one. No, sorry. Question 1, it says what temperature you're looking at now. Can Mars reach in winter time according to text? According to text, 1 mark here. So what temperature you're looking for? Text here, it says temperature you're finding, right? This is temperature. Mars looks like an inhospitable wasteland where wintertime temperatures plunge to minus, right? Minus 153 degrees centigrade. So go to question number 2, B part, sorry, question 1, B part, using your own words again. If you are not looking at the text, it's fine. First try to figure it out and then you can check your simplified words there. Inhospitable wasteland. Wasteland means a deserted place. a place where nobody has gone before, or wasteland means a desert, right? Inhospitable, not friendly, and comprise means made up of, or principally means mainly. So try not to change the form. Form means if something is adjective, write adjective there. If something is noun, write noun there. This part, that is paragraph 2, give two factors that would have made life a possibility in the first billion years of Mars existence. So two bullet points, it means two words or phrases and carries 2 marks, right? So paragraph 2, what factors that could make life possibility? Let me take you to the text to second paragraph. However, Mars wasn't always so hostile to life. For the first billion years of existence, the planet had many oceans and seas. It is one of the reasons, right? One of the ways it can make the life possible. So the second thing is protected by thick blanket of air. You need air there, meaning it has ample opportunity to accommodate at least microbial life. However, its magnetic field. One thing is this. One is the water, oceans, air, and magnetic field, right? Let me take you to the next question. That is D part, paragraph 3 for this, paragraph 4 for this. Paragraph 3, 2 marks, 2 bullets, 2 suggestions of what could have happened to life forms on Mars. Paragraph 3, let me take you to paragraph 3. This is the third one. Most potential life forms undoubtedly perished. One is the gone, died, dead, perished, right? But research has suggested that some lingering surface markers of ancient life may have been found. So this one, some life traces are there, but this type of form. Lying in the plain sight, in fact, meaning that possibly some basic life forms retreated underground. This kind of life forms found there. Now, next one is that is the second part of D. What's the rover currently on Mars? Explain what rover currently on Mars has been able to do well. So 3 marks for this. It means paragraph, 3 points there from paragraph 4. So what's the rover currently on Mars has been able to do well. Now let me take you to 4th paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4. Scientists have sent rovers in to Mars Gale crater, Formless Lake, where the rover study rocks for clues to the planet's history. This one, the latest rover has a large memory with the potential to hold significant amount of data. So significant amount of data recovered from this thing, but it has had some problems with the both data storage and the sending data to scientists. Nevertheless, it successfully uses onboard drill to collect rock and soil samples. So it is for drilling purposes as well, before transferring them to an oven with its body where they are quickly heated to high temperature. Then laser spectrometer gets to work. So these are a few of the points you can write for this question, because you need 3 points there, right? Now go back to this one and let me take you to E part. That's the last one. For question 1, using your own words, explain why some human might want to find evidence of life on Mars. Why do they need this thing? Paragraph 6. This could be okay. 3 points should be there. Explain why some humans want to find evidence, right? So this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6. This one. This could be exciting news for many on Earth, though perhaps not all. Do we need to study Mars and its potential for life in order to understand our planet's early history? You need this thing for knowing the history, right? And evolution, how we started, means how everything started. Some scientists would certainly say so. Meanwhile, the extraterrestrial terrestrial life forms, it means the aliens. We need to know this thing as well. Science fiction stir imaginations to the point that Stuckbuck fan actor dream of meeting real life Martians for themselves. Equally, though, there are those who believe that human dreams of material gaining power. So this could be your third point as well. Such ventures should not be encouraged, and the revenue put aside the space exploration. So that's all for question 1A to E part now.